What's up guys? So in most videos what I do is I go through a tutorial of my screen and show you how to do a tutorial on Airtable or Zapier or multiple of the above. Well, in this video I'm going to be opening the Echo Show 8 to actually use with Airtable, but this video is just going to be setting it up and seeing what we got. So we got this, and then we also got a stand that I'll show you in a second. But if you haven't met me before, my name is Ben Green. I'm the owner of optimizeis. This is Anne. She's my girlfriend.
Hi.
And what optimizeis does is we help business owners, possibly just like you, help them optimize their information system. So in stuff like Airtable for, say, asset management or a CRM, Asana for project management, and then Zapier and Integromat to connect all systems together. So if you're interested in that, you can check out a link in the description and request a consultation from me or someone on my team. But without further ado, we'll get right into the unboxing now. All right, so the first thing we got, the most important part, is the stand. So if you want to open this. We also got Nacho, who you already saw helped open it. Where is he? Nacho's here as well. We got Nacho. The stand looks pretty self-explanatory. It doesn't even look like it has any screws. That's nice. And then here is the... Wow. Here's the Echo. So it's the Echo Show 8. I know there was a more new one, but this was a gift from a client on a budget, and I believe this one works better than the Echo Show 10, which is what some people opt for. If you want to get a brand new one, you might get the Echo Show 10. There's quite the cardboard packaging on all of this, if I do say so.
Got a nice little charger. Is it charger or is it like?
Yeah, it's a charger. So we got the Echo Show here. It's all in plastic, which was also all in cardboard. So I'm excited to turn it on, and I believe I should just be able to open this up and put in my email, and then it should work. So here we got the Echo Show. I didn't look in the instructions or anything, but I'm just gonna try to power it on and see what happens. So I turned that, so I don't know if that's on or off.
I think it has to be plugged into the wall.
You think so? Every single time?
Yeah.
I do not know.
Well, maybe you should read the instructions.
You want to plug that in over there and stretch it? All right, so we're attempting to turn it on. Oh, it's coming on. So we have the Echo, it's turning on, and it should be very easy to set up. Basically all we need to do, from my understanding, from what the client said, is just put in our email and then give them our email, and there should already be voice capabilities set up with Airtable. Do you hear that? Oh, did I just turn it off?
I don't know.
I don't know what this little thing up here does. There's like a little toggle switch that has white that shows up that I don't know what it does. Getting your device online. Oh, we need to connect it to the internet. May take a moment.
So could you do this without the stand?
Yeah, so I think the stand is just an added bonus, but the stand, then you can like set it on your desk. So if you're getting it, you can get the stand as well as the Echo Show 8. There's links in the description if you want to get one of these, and I'll add a link for the stand. English.
Hello, ready for setup.
Okay, so the first thing it needs is the setup. I think the downside of this is it won't have the Apple sharing password thing. All right, so hopefully connecting to the Wi-Fi here.
The other day I was looking at it and it was all like your recommended was all like cooking stuff, leggings, face products, green. Right?
At gmail.com.
Oh.
She put ben13green.com. All right, so we're registering. So all I had to do was log in to my Amazon account, and it hopefully will be turned on. Hi, Ben Green. So it's now registered to me, and I agreed to all the, definitely. Read those. Make sure you read those every time. Pick the time zone. That is where my Echo Show 8 is. This one is in the bedroom. This is the Echo Show.
Ooh, I want to pick that one.
Choose wallpaper. So you can choose like the wallpaper, from your photos, seasonal, travel, art. So Anne is definitely gonna pick the wallpaper. Something else.
This device is ready.
Alright, so it said the device was ready, so I believe we can try what the client said to do.
Hi, I'm Alexa. Let's get you started with 5 things to try. You can say stop at any time.
It bothers me that it's not a full. Oh, it's the camera.
Alexa, open random path with Airtable. Alright, so the first thing we have to do is get the Alexa app to on our phones to approve it on the device. 1-click install after it reads my face. Now we're good.
New message.
Alexa, what's the temperature outside? Alexa, play music. So it's having us do 4 tests to test it out. Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
Close your mouth.
Alexa, what's the temperature outside? Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
Tonight, expect a low of 21 degrees. Whatever the weather, a surprise gift can brighten anyone's day,
I love this
especially if it makes
device.
them laugh. If you want help finding a silly surprise, just say, Alexa, show me funny gift ideas.
Alexa, show me funny gift ideas.
So the funny gift idea that Anne just got is a yodeling pickle. Oh, does that always have to be plugged in?
Yeah.
Are you serious? Alright, so just found out it always has to be plugged in. So if I can get this to show you. So it always has to be plugged in, which is a bummer. But I guess overall, I'll just unplug it so you guys can see it. So overall, I think the stand, since it always has to be plugged in, the stand is a worthwhile purchase. And we tried calling a client on here, but they didn't pick up. So you'll have to see that another time. And we tried using it with Airtable, but I think we still have to get it connected to the developer console so that we can use some Airtable skills. But I'm really excited to be able to enter data into my Airtable with this, pull up some random records, do a lot of the tests that I went through in that first video, but really show you, and I'm going to try to get a camera mounted up so maybe we can both show you on how to use the Amazon Echo 8, as well as maybe some other Alexa devices to enter data into Airtable, view data on the display on here, which would be similar, not quite the same as viewing it like on the Amazon Alexa developer console or whatever that's called. It'd look a lot better on here. So I'm excited to show you all that. And if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. If you're curious about some of the things that voice can do, you can check out the link in the description and request a consultation with me or my team. If you also need databases built out or anything like that, you can check out the link in the description down there. But if you want to learn more about what voice can do for you in your business, you can check out this video right here in the end screen. And it's not going to be with this bad boy because we just got it in this video, but it'll be with the Amazon Alexa developer console, and you'll see a lot of the capabilities there, but there's a lot more to come. So stay tuned. Every Tuesday we'll be going over voice. I'll see you there.